This section is about memory acceleration management. GeminiDB Redis API offers memory acceleration to enhance the conventional cache solution. With this feature, users can set up rules on the GUI to cache MySQL data automatically, thereby speeding up MySQL access. First, to enable memory acceleration, we need to log into RDS console. In the instance page, click the target instance. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Memory Acceleration. On the displayed page, click Create GeminiDB Instance. On the displayed page, set required parameters and click Submit. Then the GeminiDB instance is under creating. After the GeminiDB Redis instance is created, we can manage mapping rules. In the mapping rule area, click Create Mapping Rule. First, we can set the rule name. Second, we can configure source instance information, like we can choose database name and table name. Third, we can configure acceleration instance information. Fourth, click Set Key, select the key field of the acceleration instance, and click OK. Then we can click Submit. Now a new mapping rule is created. Then we can do memory acceleration management. First, to query the mapping list. In the service list, choose Database, GeminiDB Redis API. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Memory Acceleration Management. On the displayed page, search for your target mapping by keyword. To unmap a mapping rule, in this page, we can click Remove. And in the display dialog box, click OK.